Hey guys, this is Kintoxic here. I'm showing you a game I found on the App Store called Modern War. It's like Modern Warfare, and I'll be showing you a little bit of it. Alright, so you have your own little base here. Sorry if my finger's in the way, but you have your own little base. And up here where it says goals, where you can't really see this horrible quality, you find goals, and that's how you get money. So let's see, upgrading your building level 4. So you can upgrade, which I am going to upgrade this one, which I can't right now because I'm already upgrading this one. I gotta wait 2 hours before that's upgraded. But so I'll do a mission for you. Alright, I'm actually gonna do a mission so I can finish this level. Right. As you see, I just did a mission, blew up that tank. But I still have one more in here. Turn that down a little bit so you can hear a little better. Alright, so I'm trying to find the last... Oh, here it is. No, oh, wrong thing. Didn't mean to do that. But no. Okay. There. Now I just blew that up. Now I just finished that. Right. Now I can go into one of these and figure out these missions. As you see, I can't do that. I don't have enough life points, but I can kill that guy. So progress is done. I have to do that one next. So I'm gonna go back to my base so I can fill up right here. Those are life points. You have to fill those up in order to go on different missions. So, alright guys, thanks for watching.